Well, now howdy folks, how y'all doing? This here's PAW PAW again, and today I'm going to show you how to make some wine. Stick around. G'day guys, well, it's Trev again, not PAW PAW, but funny story. A couple of years ago, I was looking for a homemade Bailey's recipe, and I went on the interwebs and I'm looking at YouTube clips, and I come across this good old boy from Tennessee named PAW PAW. And I tell you what, I love this old guy. I have been watching his videos for, I don't know, last 2 years or whatever it is. And anyway, one of his claims to fame is making his homemade wine. So today we're going to make PAW PAW's homemade wine, and see how we go. Alrighty, let's get to making some wine. Righto, starters, we got two 2-liter jugs of apple pear juice and grape juice. And what we're going to do is, the recipe is for every liter of juice you put 1 cup of sugar. It's as simple as that. So what you do, open up your jug of juice. Now there's no room in there to mix the sugar, so you chuck it in here like this. So 2 liters of apple pear juice, and then 2 cups of sugar. One, 2, and then get you some dried yeast, bread making yeast. Now you can use that fancy stuff, the brewer's yeast, and it might even make it a little stronger, but that's not how PAW PAW does it, so that's not how I'm doing it. So today, dried yeast, bread yeast. So you don't need a whole packet of yeast. So this one little sachet, I'll just get you a little bit of yeast like that, chuck it in, and stir it up. And that's it. You're on your way to homemade wine. Now this juice costs me $1 a litre, $2 a jug. So add another $1 for the sugar. We're into it for $3. A little bit of yeast, that's nothing. Just pinch it out of the cupboard where Elise keeps her yeast. And what we'll do, mix them up real good. This is where I'll do the fast forward. Okay, it's mixed up. Now, straight back in the jug. Leave a little bit of headspace in the top, and that last little bit, stick it in a spare wine bottle you got. Give it a shake up, stick it in here. You don't want to be wasting no wine. Okay, so put the lid on. Put it to the side. Now we'll do the same thing again with the grape juice. Doesn't smell much. Anyway, 2 liters of grape juice. Chuck it in there like that. 2 cups of sugar. 1, 2, just like that. Now get you a good old pincher. baker's yeast. Don't use the whole packet, it's too much. There you go. Chuck it in just like that. Give him a good old mix, couple of minutes. Okay, after mixing it for a couple of minutes, get your jug back and your funnel. See, I didn't make PAW PAW's mistake. I used two funnels, a wet funnel and a dry funnel. Okay, so now put the grape juice back in the jug. Leave you a little headspace in the top. Now, okay, so far this wine bottle's got apple pear juice. Now we've got the rest of the grape juice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make us an apple pear grape juice. Oh yeah. Okay, bit of sugar there. So what we do, put the lids on, nice and tight for starters. Give them a good shake. Give it a good shake for 2 or 3 minutes. And what you do is you put your jug in the cupboard somewhere dark, loosen the cap so all the gas can escape, but not too loose. There you go, just like that. Same with this, same with this. And don't be in a hurry to drink this stuff. Give it about 3 weeks. As soon as it's dead, no more activity. Even a couple of days after that, then we'll do a taste sampling and we'll see how old PAW PAW's wine turns out. I'll put a link to PAW PAW's channel in the comment section below. And that's it. Have a good one. See you on the next video. Ta-da.